Hello, good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and doing well. So today we are going to discuss the miscellaneous exercise of inverse trigonometric function. In that video, we will discuss some questions from your miscellaneous part, which is an important questions, and usually in exams many questions comes from the miscellaneous exercise, so we cannot ignore it. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's start. The very first question is find the value of the following. ठीक है, find the value of the following: cos inverse cos 13 pi upon 6, and the second question is, I am writing second also, tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6. So these are two questions here. Okay, now see students, this is the first question. First we will do it, then we will further go for it. Okay, so cos inverse cos 13 pi upon 6. As I told you earlier, if you have cos inverse cos of theta, then it must be equal to theta for all value of theta should belongs in the range of cos inverse. And what is the range of cos inverse? From close interval 0 to pi. If the angle theta is existing within the range of cos inverse, then only the value of cos inverse cos theta will be equal to theta. Now see here the angle theta is 13 pi by 6 and which is beyond 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi. ये जो अमाउंट है यहाँ पे 13 pi upon 6, it is greater than pi. ठीक है, so it is not coming within this particular interval. So what we have to do, we have to reduce it, like 13 pi by 6 can be reduced as 2 pi plus pi by 6. Okay, we do it. 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 pi by 6. So we can express 13 pi by 6 like 2 pi plus pi by 6. Now see, cos 13 pi by 6 can be represented as cos 2 pi plus pi by 6. Okay, now see 2 pi plus theta, where it will go. Okay, this is quadrant, you can say this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third, and this is fourth. So 2 pi plus theta, okay, 2 pi plus theta means the angle is going again in first quadrant, and in first quadrant you all know every angle is positive, है ना, sorry, every trigonometric ratio is positive here, ठीक है, because this is the quadrant in which the angles are existing from 0 degree to pi by 2. Okay, so 2 pi plus theta means the angle goes to the first quadrant, and in first quadrant every trigonometric ratio is positive, and since it is a case of 2 pi, so cos will be not changes in terms of sign, cos will remain cos. So the answer of cos 2 pi plus theta, cos 2 pi plus theta, as we know, cos 2 pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. So applying this formula here, we got cos 2 pi plus pi by 6 will be equal to cos pi by 6. Okay, so we can substitute this amount by this one. So cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6 can be represented as cos inverse cos pi by 6. Now see, the angle pi by 6 is existing within the interval of cos inverse, है ना, which is from 0 to pi. So this angle is existing within the interval, that's why the answer will be pi by 6, because pi by 6 is existing within the interval 0 to close interval 0 to pi, which is the range of cos inverse. That's why your answer will be pi by 6. Okay, now talking about the second question, which is tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6. Since we know that tan inverse tan theta will be equal to theta for all value of theta should exist within the range of tan inverse, which is from open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now see here 7 pi by 6 is beyond this limit, है ना, 7 pi by 6 क्या है, इस इंटरवल से बाहर है. So we can change 7 pi by 6 as pi plus pi by 6. You can check. Okay, 6 into pi, 6 pi plus 1, 7 pi upon 6. So 7 pi by 6 can be expressed as pi plus pi by 6. Now tan 7 pi by 6 can be written as tan pi plus pi by 6. Now see, tan 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So 180 plus theta means your angle goes to the third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan is positive, and since it is a case of pi, so there will be no change in trigonometric ratios. Okay, so I am writing here tan 180 plus theta, we all know it is equal to tan theta. So by this formula this will be tan pi by 6. Okay, so tan 7 pi by 6 is reduced to the tan pi by 6. Now tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6 can be written as tan inverse tan pi by 6, because 7 pi by 6 is not existing within the range of tan inverse, so we have to reduce it. इसको हमने reduce किया किसमें, pi by 6 में. Okay, by this method, है ना. Now see tan inverse tan theta, this will be equal to theta, and here theta is pi by 6 because pi by 6 is belonging in the interval of tan inverse, which is from close interval minus pi by open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Hence your required answer will be pi by 6. Pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, next question. Okay, see the next question, number 3rd. Prove that 2 sin inverse 3 upon 5. Question number 3rd. Prove that 2 sin inverse 3 upon 5 equal to tan inverse 24 upon 7. Tan inverse 24 upon 7. We have to prove this one. Okay. So we will take first the left hand side, which is given as twice sin inverse 3 upon 5. Okay, got it. So twice sin inverse 3 upon 5 we have here. Now what we will do here, okay, so there is a formula for 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x can be written as sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Okay, this is a formula for twice sin inverse x. 2 times sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. You can check. Okay, this is a formula of 2 sin inverse x. Now see, here we have twice sin inverse 3 upon 5. Okay, twice sin inverse 3 upon 5 can be expressed as sin inverse 2 into what is the angle here, 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 into root 1 minus x square. What is x here? X is the argument, 3 upon 5. So its square will be 3 3 ja 9 upon 5 5 ja 25. So this will be sin inverse 2 into 3 upon 5 into in root 25 minus 9 upon 25. Okay, so this will be sin inverse 2 3 ja 6 upon 5 multiply within root 25 minus 9, that is 16 if I am not wrong. ठीक है, upon 25. ठीक है, so this will be sin inverse 6 upon 5 multiply 4 upon 5. ठीक है, on taking this amount outside of the square root we got 4 upon 5. Okay, now this will gives you sin inverse 6 4 ja 24 upon 5 5 ja 25. So this is the value of sin the value of twice sin inverse 3 upon 5 is sin inverse 24 upon 25, but we have to prove it equivalent to tan inverse 24 upon 7. Now we will apply the triangle formula. Now we will apply the triangle rule, in which we make a right angle triangle. Let it be the acute angle theta, है ना. So let sin inverse 24 upon 25 is some constant theta, है ना, some angle theta, sorry. So now shifting sin inverse toward right hand side, we got from here 24 upon 25 is equivalent to sin theta. See, from here we got the angle, the value of sin theta. And what is sin theta? Basically sin theta is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. We know that sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So on comparing, perpendicular is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Now you can apply the Pythagoras rule. So your base will be root 25 square minus 24 square. So this will be 25 square 625 minus 24 square 24 multiply 4 4 16 1 carry 4 2 8 1 9 2 4 8 2 2 4 6 8 2 16 17 1 carry 576 है ना. Yes, 576. So on subtracting this amount, 15 minus 6, this will be 9. Here is 11. Okay, 11 minus 7, that is 49. So 49 will be equal to 7 if you will take it outside the root. Okay, so your base is 7 है ना. Base कितना आ गया बेटा? Base is 7. Okay, with the help of Pythagoras. Now see, we need to find the value of tan theta. So tan theta is base upon perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 24, base is 7. So theta will be shifting this tan towards right hand side. We got from here theta will be tan inverse 24 upon 7. Now what is theta? Theta is initially this one. Initially theta is the value of sin inverse 24 upon 25. So we can put here, instead of theta we can put the original value, which is sin inverse 24 upon 25. This will be equal to tan inverse 24 upon 7. So this is your right hand side. यही प्रूव करना था हमें. ठीक है, हमें दिया था twice sin inverse 3 upon 5. We have converted this amount to sin inverse 24 upon 5. Then we have converted this amount in terms of tan inverse 24 upon 7, which is our right hand side. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay, see next question. Next question is question number 4. Sin inverse 8 upon 17 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5. Question number 4. Sin inverse 8 upon 17 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5 equal to sin inverse 77 upon 36. So dear student, this is the question. We have to prove that this amount is equivalent to this one. So we will take the left hand side from here. So left hand side is sin inverse 8 upon 17 plus sin inverse 3 upon 5. Okay, now see student, there is a formula of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Okay, what is the formula? The formula is sin inverse x under root 1 minus y square plus y under root 1 minus x square. Okay, you have to learn this formula. Without this formula you cannot solve this question. So sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse outside the bracket, and within bracket first we will take x and y within the root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. Now here x and y are the argument of the inverse trigonometric function, and here in question the value of x is given 8 upon 17 and the value of y is given 3 upon 5. Now we are going to use this formula here. So we get from here sin inverse 8 upon 17, okay, plus sin inverse 3 upon 5, and this amount is equal to, after applying formula, sin inverse x, which is 8 upon 17 under root 1 minus y square, y is 3 upon 5, so its square will be 9 upon 25. Okay, x root 1 minus y square plus y, which is 3 upon 5 under root 1 minus x square. X is 8 upon 17, so square of 8 is 8 8 is 64, and square of 17 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है भाई? 7 7 49, 4 कैरी 7 7 4 11 177 111 718 289. Okay, now solve this one. So on solving this, what we get from here, sin inverse 8 upon 17 multiply, now see 25 1 ja 25, 25 minus 9, that is 16, so this will be 16 upon 25, okay, plus 3 upon 5 within root 289 into 1, 289, 289 minus 64, 289 64 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 9 minus 4 5, 8 minus 6 2, 25, 225 divided by 289 within bracket. Okay, now see sin inverse 8 upon 17. Now see, this will be 16 upon 25. After taking this amount outside the square root, we got 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 plus, now see 2 to 5, 2 to 5 is basically the square root of 15. If you have not learned it, then please learn. 2 to 5 is the square of 15, so we will get from here 15, and 289 is of course the square of 17. Now if any one is cancel out, this one 5 3 is 15, कुछ और कैंसिल हो रहा है? नो. सो दिस विल बी साइन इनवर्स 8 4 जा 32, 17 5 जा 85, यस 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9. एक्चुअली हमें चाहिए 77 अपॉन 36. गलत हो रहा है क्या हमारा कहीं पे? 77 अपॉन 36, 289 माइनस 64, 25. चलिए देखते हैं कहाँ गलत हो रहा है यार. फिलहाल तो नहीं लग रहा कहीं गलत हो रहा है. 5 3 जा 15, 3 3 जा 9 अपॉन 17 आ रहा है ये. सो दिस विल बी साइन इनवर्स 85 विल बी एलसीएम 32 प्लस, नाउ सी 17 5 जा 85 ना, सो 5 9 जा 45 है ना. सो साइन इनवर्स 5 2 7 4 3 7 अपॉन 85, 77 अपॉन 85. क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे? 77 अपॉन 36 दिया है इसने. 77 अपॉन 36, मेरा आ रहा है 77 अपॉन 85. सो ये क्वेश्चन गलत है या क्या है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना. सो यू कैन क्रॉस वेरीफाई इट बेटा. ठीक है, माई आंसर इज कमिंग 77 अपॉन 85. ठीक है, सो मे बी क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे गलत दिया हो, so you can cross verify it, then tell me. okay, so pause the video. there is no any mistake from my side. मुझे तो लग नहीं रहा कहीं पे. फिर भी एक बार क्रॉस चेक करते हैं. 8 अपॉन 17, 3 अपॉन 5. ओके, सो साइन इनवर्स x रूट 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस y रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. साइन इनवर्स x इज 8 अपॉन 17 रूट 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, 3 से 9 अपॉन 5 5 जा 25 प्लस 3 अपॉन 5 रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, 8 8 जा 64, 17 का स्क्वायर 289. So 8 upon 17, 25 minus 9 16, 16 upon 25 plus 3 upon 5, 289, 9 minus 4 हो गया. ठीक है, 8 minus 6 2, ठीक है, अपॉन ये 2 to 5 is the square root of 15 ना. एक्चुअली चेक कर लेते हैं यार. 15 करना यस 15 का स्क्वायर ही होता है 2 to 5 है ना. तो ठीक है, ये मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे इसी में गलत गड़बड़ी है. 36 की जगह यहाँ पे 85 होना चाहिए था. फिर भी आप चेक करना. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सॉरी. एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse 12 upon 13 equal to cos inverse 33 upon 65. okay, this is the question. So now see the left hand side, which is cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse 12 upon 13. now see there is a formula. ठीक है, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse x y. if there is a plus, then here will be minus root 1 minus x square root 1 minus y square. So now we are using this formula to solve this question. Here the x will be 4 upon 5 and y will be 12 upon 13. okay, after comparison you can find it. So now applying the formula, cos inverse x, which is 4 by 5, multiply y, which is 12 upon 13. Since here is plus, so this will be minus root 1 minus x square, which is 4 upon 5, so this will be 16 upon 25 root 1 minus y square 144 upon 169. Now just solve it. Cos inverse 12 4 जा 48, 13 5 जा 65, minus root 25 minus 16 upon 25, and here 169 minus 144 upon 169. So cos inverse 48 upon 65 minus this will 25 minus 16, that is 9, 9 upon 25, it means 3 upon 5. Now see 169 minus 144 कितना मिलेगा, 6 50 7 25, 25 बाहर आएगा 5, and from here we get 13. So cos inverse 65 will be the LCM, 48 minus 5 3 ja 15. So this is equal to cos inverse. Now see 48 minus 15, 8 minus 5 that is 3, 4 minus 1 that is 3 upon 65. I think यही प्रूव करना था, 33 upon 65. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot of it. Now see question number 6, you will do by your own. ठीक है, I am talking about question number 7. So question number 7 is tan inverse 63 upon 16 equal to sin inverse 5 upon 3, sin inverse 5 upon 13 plus cos inverse 3 upon 5. Now see, now you will take here right hand side. So right hand side is given as sin inverse 5 upon 13 plus cos inverse 3 upon 5. Okay, now see we have to find equate this amount to tan inverse 63 upon 16, and this is only possible if we have to reduce both the angles in terms of tan inverse. हमें करना क्या होगा, इन दोनों एंगल को पहले first we will reduce both the inverse trigonometric function in terms of tan inverse, then we will apply the formula of tan inverse A, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So अभी ये साइन में है, ये कॉस में है. So make a triangle here for this sin inverse 5 upon 3. Let sin inverse 5 upon 13 is equal to some angle A. Then so that we got sin A is equal to 5 upon 13. Now again, since we know that what is sine is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So this will indicate perpendicular and this will indicate hypotenuse. Then ultimately by the use of Pythagoras, the base will be root 13 square which is 169 minus 5 square which is 25. So your base will be, कितना आएगा बेस, 12 आ जाएगा, है ना. 144 मिलेगा. 144 का अगर हम एलसीएम लेंगे तो हमें कितना मिलेगा अल्टीमेटली, 12. So from here the value of tan A will be perpendicular which is 5 upon base which is 12. So the value of A will be tan inverse 5 upon 12. And what is A beta? A is sin inverse 5 upon 13. It means sin inverse 5 upon 13 की value in terms of tan inverse कितनी है, 5 upon 12. ये clear हो गया. Now see the second one. Let cos inverse 3 upon 5 is some angle B, so that cos B is equal to 3 upon 5. Now make a suitable right angle triangle and let it be acute angle B. So cos is the ratio of base and hypotenuse, है ना, base upon hypotenuse. So this will be 3, this will be 5, then ultimately this will be 25 minus 9, it means root 16, it means 4. So the value of tan B will be, since tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base, ठीक है. So this will be 4 upon 3 and the value of B will be tan inverse 4 upon 3. And what is B? B is cos inverse 3 upon 5. So the value of cos inverse 3 upon 5 in terms of tan will be tan inverse 4 upon 3. Now we have to substitute the value of this and this in terms of tan. Then we have to apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So see what will we do. Now substituting these values, ठीक है. So right hand side था बेटा हमारे पास sin inverse 5 upon 13 plus cos inverse 3 upon 5. Okay. Now substituting these the value of sin inverse and cos inverse in term of tan inverse. So इसकी वैल्यू क्या है, this amount is equal to A and A is equivalent to this. So ultimately these are equals, ठीक है. So sin inverse 5 upon 30 will be equal to tan inverse 5 upon 12. Okay. tan inverse 5 upon 12. Now see the value of cos inverse 3 upon 5 in terms of tan is tan inverse 4 upon 3. Tan inverse 4 upon 3. Now apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What is the formula of it? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse and within bracket x plus y upon 1 minus xy. You have to learn all these formula, otherwise you will not able to solve the questions. Okay, so apply here tan inverse. What is x? 5 upon 12 plus what is y? 4 upon 3 upon 1 minus x into y. Okay, now solve this one and get your answer. So LCM will be 12 in numerator. Okay, 12 1 ja 12, 1 into 5 5 plus 3 4 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16 divided by, now see 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. It means 1 minus 5 upon 9 we have in denominator. So on solving this one, tan inverse, this will be 16 plus 5, that is 21 upon 12 multiply 9 1 ja 9 minus 5, that is 4 upon 9. So it will be reciprocal 9 upon 4. ठीक है, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So this will be tan inverse 21 into 3, that is 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 63 upon 4 4 ja 8. यही आ रहा था क्या? 63 अपॉन 16 आ रहा है कहीं गड़बड़, ओ सॉरी 4 4 जा 16, 4 4 जा 16 एंड विच इज अवर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, विच इज अवर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, tan inverse 63 upon 16. Okay, pause the video and take the screenshot. Okay beta, next see question number 8. See question number 8. Okay, question number 8. The question number is it tan inverse 1 upon 5, tan inverse 1 upon 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 8 is equal to pi by 4. Okay, this is the proof, है ना, ये हमें प्रूव करना है यहाँ पे. So here you can see there are 4 terms. There are 4 terms in term of tan inverse. So what we will do, we will take in the form of pair, है ना. First we will suppose we will take this amount tan inverse 1 upon 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7, है ना. tan inverse 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 and then we will take tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 8. ठीक है. सो इसको एक साथ रख लेंगे हम और इसको एक साथ ले लेंगे. 2 पेयर हमारे पास आ चुके हैं एंड इंडिविजुअली वी विल सॉल्व इट एंड देन वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू हियर. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ tan इनवर्स 1 upon 5 प्लस tan इनवर्स 1 upon 7. ठीक है, अभी एक फार्मूला बताया था, उसी की हेल्प से करेंगे. सो tan इनवर्स x प्लस वाई, दैट इज 1 upon 5 प्लस 1 upon 7 अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स वाई, दैट इज 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7. Okay, what is the formula? Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. What is x here? 1 upon 5. What is y here? 1 upon 7. So now this will be tan inverse 5 and 7 LCM will be 35. 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7 plus 7 5 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 5 7 ja 35. Okay, so this will be tan inverse 7 plus 5 12 upon 35 multiply 35 1 ja 35, 35 minus 1, that is 34. So in denominator we have 34 upon 35, but after taking this divide, after taking the reciprocal of this divide which is multiply, the fraction will be interchanged. So this will gives you 35 upon 34. Okay, so 35 cancel out. You got from here tan inverse 12 upon 34. Okay, 2 6 ja 12, 2 से 17 times. So this will be equal to tan inverse 6 upon 17. ठीक है. Similarly we can find the value of this amount which is tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Now apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse within bracket x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. So this will be equal to tan inverse. Now take the LCM of 8 and 3. The LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. The LCM of 8 and 3 is 24. 3 8 ja 8 1 ja 8 plus 8 3 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3 divided by here 1 minus 1 upon 8 3 ja 24. ठीक है. So now solving this amount, tan inverse 8 plus 3 11 upon 24 multiply here 24 1 ja 24, 24 minus 1 23 upon 24, and if you are changing divide into multiply, so the fraction will be changed and this will become 24 upon 23. This will be cancelled out and we got from here tan inverse 11 upon 23. Now substitute both values here. So we get from here tan inverse 1 upon 5 plus tan inverse 1 7. कितनी वैल्यू आई? tan inverse 6 upon 17. tan inverse 6 upon 17. Okay, plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आई? tan inverse 11 upon 23. Now apply the formula in the last time. So this will be equal to tan inverse 6 upon 17 plus 11 upon 23 upon 1 minus 6 upon 17 into 11 upon 23. Now you have to calculate it. You definitely got the answer pi by 4, I'm sure here. So tan inverse, now see what is the LCM of 17 or 23, I don't know. So क्या ले देंगे? पूरा ले लेंगे 17 into 23. Now in denominator 17 is here, so 6 into 23 plus 23 cancel, 17 into 11 divide by 1 minus 6 into 11, 66 upon 17 into 23. ठीक है. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा, तो मैं शॉर्ट लिख दे रहा हूँ. सॉल्व करने पे यहाँ पे विद इन ब्रैकेट हमें यहाँ मिलेगा 1. ठीक है ना, पूरा कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, कैंसिल होके मुझे 1 मिलेगा, ऐसा आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है ना. अच्छा मैं ही कर लेता हूँ चेक. ठीक है, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा यहाँ रब करना पड़ेगा बेटा. वी हैव टू प्रूव इट पाई बाय 4. ठीक है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ रब कर रहा हूँ अब इसे टू डू द कैलकुलेशन. सो कितना आया ये? tan इनवर्स 6 into 23. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 6 3 जा 18, 1 कैरी, 6 2 जा 12 प्लस 1 13, 138 प्लस 11 into 7, 11 7 जा 77, 7 कैरी, 11 1 जा 11, 11 प्लस 7 18 अपॉन 17 into 23 divided by, now see here 17 into 23, 17 391. ठीक है, 391 आ रहा है. सो 1 minus 66 अपॉन 391. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद. सो tan इनवर्स 7 plus 8 325. ठीक है, एंड हियर 391 डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई करने पे अभी हमने फाइंड किया. दिस विल टर्न इनटू मल्टीप्लाई 391 upon 391 minus 66, 11 minus 6 5. Now here is 8, 8 minus 6 2. Now here is 2 to 5, नहीं 2 to 5 क्यों? 3 to 5 सॉरी, है ना. 11 minus 6 that is 5. Now here is 8, 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 to 5, 3 to 5. So 3 to 5, 3 to 5 cancel out, 391, 391 cancel out. We got from here tan inverse 1. Now we know that the value of 1 in case of tan is 10 pi by 4. So instead of 1 we can write here 10 pi by 4. Now see tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta will be equal to theta because theta is existing within the range of tan inverse, which is from open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So your answer will be pi by 4, which is your right hand side. Pause the video and take the screenshot of it. So dear student, this is all from today's video lecture. In next video lecture we will discuss the next chapter, and tomorrow I will take your Google Meet class and we will discuss the remaining questions of this particular exercise. Till then, stay at home and work hard. Bye bye.